let me start over. Okay. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. What's this on my windscreen? It's a phone screen protector. Why did I do that? No, that's a silly thing to do, right? Probably is. So anyhow, my windscreen is cracked. There's a crack going straight down. I showed it to you before. On the last video, you can check it. I got this resin from Amazon, came next day. So that's to fill in little cracks. That's to fill in little chips, like little starbursts, you know, little starburst shapes, like down at the bottom. You can't see it now, it's too dark. But these little starburst shapes, you can fill those in with. So I have a crack that's growing. The crack grew all the way from here all the way up here. It's almost like a foot long, 18 inches long, and growing because the temperature is fluctuating. It's warm inside the car, it's cold inside the car. It's warm outside, it's cold outside, so on and so on and so forth. So anyhow, I got this here. This is 3M DP100, which is supposed to bond to glass. It bonds to glass. I believe it also bonds to plastic. So that's the epoxy. And I got the screen protector. It's for a Samsung phone. I don't own a Samsung phone. But this is supposed to be, it's supposed to be tempered glass, right? Tempered glass is what's right here. What's on my my windows. So I think tempered glass is not a bad idea. It should be strong, should hold it together a little bit. So I got this tempered glass thing and I stuck it onto my windscreen using the DP100, right? Adhesive, epoxy, after cleaning it off a little bit. But first I had put the resin in the crack. I put the resin in the crack in the morning, let the sun dry that out. Put the resin in the crack in the morning. It made it look a little bit better. And then in the evening, I really wanted to use a piece of glass, but I didn't really have a piece of glass that was going to be smooth enough. I might put some more epoxy on it just to smooth it out so that when my wiper comes over, it doesn't get damaged by this thing or knock it off. So it looks like it's going to rain, so I better start heading out. It's dry, but I'm still able to put indentations. It's not that hard. Hopefully it'll harden over time. But it's holding this on. This is going to hopefully prevent it from expanding. Now it looks weird and stupid, but hey, listen, it's $300 to replace this windscreen, $325 in New Jersey to replace it. And I'm not in New Jersey right now, so I don't know when I'm going to get to do that. So instead of letting the crack grow and grow and grow and grow forever, hopefully it'll stop right here. And this DP100, it dries on clear and it's holding on this tempered glass on here. I'm hoping that the worst part of the crack is right here where it twists and turns. So I'm hoping it will prevent any further expansion and any further growth of the crack. That's what I'm hoping. So that's what I did. I put the resin in the morning. Then at lunchtime I came and I put this on and I stuck this on that I bought from Target for about $14. I didn't get all the air bubbles out, but look, it's not flexible anymore. So I hope that holds it together. So this is my solution for a crack windscreen. Instead of letting the crack grow due to the vibration and everything, hold the crack together with that. I could have probably used a piece of metal also, but you can't see through metal. So I use this. Hey, good luck.